Tesla just introduced two new paint colors, Quicksilver and Midnight Cherry Red. Giga Berlin specifically built a unique paint shop to offer these new colors. Elon has previously called Giga Berlin's new paint shop the most advanced, offering more layers and stunning colors that subtly change with curvature. Unfortunately, these stunning new colors are exclusive to the Giga Berlin paint lines, meaning these new colors are only available in European and Middle Eastern countries. Elon explains why these colors are only available at the Giga Berlin paint shop. Only Giga Berlin can make these colors, as paint shop was specially built to apply many fine layers of paint, giving it complexity not otherwise possible. When @Slayonas SV asked if a new color could be added in the US as well, Elon simply replied yes. Based on previous leaks in Tesla app updates, Tesla fans were expecting 3 new colors to be available in the future: Crimson Red, Mercury Silver Metallic, and Abyss Blue. It's not clear whether Tesla still plans to offer these exact colors, but based on their similarities to these two new offerings, it appears that Midnight Cherry Red has replaced the deep crimson color Tesla was considering, and the new silver color may have had a name change or changed slightly. However, it's not clear whether Tesla still plans to offer Abyss Blue at some point in the future. The new colors are more expensive than the previously offered gray, Midnight Silver Metallic, which was €1,600, and Red Multi-Coat, which was €2,000. Now Quicksilver is €3,000 and Midnight Cherry Red is available for €3,200. The euro is currently valued at a similar rate to the US dollar, so the prices in USD would be comparable. Abyss Blue, which we have yet to hear more details about, could be the mysterious new color that Elon said would be offered in the US. If Abyss Blue becomes available, it'll likely replace Tesla's current blue shade, Deep Blue Metallic. These new colors are only currently available on the Model Y, but that is likely to change, as well as Tesla has traditionally shared their paint colors across all of its models. Although these new colors are currently exclusive to the Berlin paint shop, Tesla rarely offers features only in a given region. By offering the same parts and features across all of its factories, Tesla can their costs through scale. Upgrading paint shops would come at a significant cost, so it's not surprising that Tesla isn't rushing to do this and may decide to couple it with other changes down the line. I'd expect Tesla to start offering these new colors in other regions in the future, especially at Giga Texas, which was built after their factory in Berlin.